So, start na tayo guys. So, punta tayo sa ating YouTube app. And then, after that, click natin yung plus sign sa baba. And then, lagyan natin yung title. Sample lang to guys yung title. Sample. Okay, sample lang yan guys, yung gagawin natin ngayon. Sample. And then, kailangan naka-public. Select audience. Kailangan naka-no, it's not made for kids. So, back tayo ng arrow. And then, scroll down. Makikita natin dyan, invite guest, description, location, screencast. I-on lang natin siya. So, ayan. After nyan, punta tayo, click natin yung next. So, and then, click natin yung got it. And then, start now. So, wag mo muna natin i-click yung go live Kasi may go live yan sa taas. Wag muna natin i-click. So, dito pwede kayong mag-off cam, mag-mute. Pwede nyo i-off yung message. On yung message dyan or on, off nyo yan. So, mamaya na kayo mag-go live. So, punta muna tayo sa ating gallery. Kasi nandun kasi nakasave yung aking ginawang video short. Guys, sample lang to guys Sample. Okay. Hanapin ko lang yung video na sample. So, ito lang. Sample lang po to. So, ayan. So, yan. So, dito guys, kailangan natin siyang i-autoplay. Okay. So, click natin tong more. Ayan. Open and video player. Click natin yung tatlong dots. Open and video player para yung video niya continue siya guys. Hindi siya mapapalitan ng ibang video. Ayan. And then, ayan. So, ayan guys. Okay na siya. Naka-set up na siya. Pwede nyo na siyang i-go live. Ayan. Ayan guys. So, ayan lang. So, ayan lang guys. Simple lang.